Game lighting, customizable prismatic LEDs, custom color hues, blue, pink, white, purple, green, red, and more, 4 different light modes, and see-through electronics controller. Wired compatibility. Officially licensed by Microsoft for Xbox Series X, Xbox One, Windows 10, PC, laptop gaming rig computer or Steam via USB. Customizable Ergonomic Controller. Use the free PDP Control Hub App to remap gamepad buttons, reconfigure triggers, dual rumble motors more. Chat with your team via the 3.5mm audio jack. Adjust volume on the fly with audio controls on the D-pad. Next, general gaming. Perfect for top FPS games. Halo Infinite, Fortnite, Call of Duty, COD, Modern Warfare, Black Ops, Overwatch, Rainbow Six, Apex Legends, RPG, MOBA or adventure games. Diablo, League of Legends, Minecraft. Thoughtful gift. Perfect for gamers, holidays, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, Father's Day gift. Great educational gift for kids interested in science or engineering. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my PC gaming. Awesome controller. I have smaller hands and it fits in my hands perfectly and is comfortable for longer gaming sessions. I had the 360 Afterglow controller previously and needed a new one, and I am so glad I chose this one. The lights on this also are able to be changed, dimmed, and set to different modes. I've seen some other reviews mentioning that there is a problem with the drift, but there is a way to fix that with the PDP Control Hub app. I'd recommend reading the instruction manual to see all of the neat things this controller has the ability to do.